Although the cheetah is considered the fastest animal on land, birds hold the record as the fastest living species in the world. The data in this video shows the maximum speed that each bird can reach, because some of them get that speed by diving down and some of them fly vertically. So, let's find out who are the fastest birds to fly across the sky. Chicken, 14 km per hour. Peacock, 16 km per hour. Gentoo Penguin, 36 km per hour. Goose, 48 km per hour. Pelican, 48 km per hour. Swan, 48 km per hour. Emu, 50 km per hour. Crow, 51.4 km per hour. Indian Cormorant, 54 km per hour. Macaw, 56 km per hour. Greater Rhea, 56.3 km per hour. Flemingo, 60 km per hour. Owl, 64 km per hour. White cockatoo, 70 km per hour. Anna's hummingbird, 70 km per hour. Ostrich, 72.4 km per hour. Duck, 80 km per hour. Eurasian teal, 97 km per hour. Common swift, 111 km per hour. Canvasback, 117.5 km per hour. Red-breasted Merganser, 130.3 km per hour. Spur-winged goose, 141.6 km per hour. Rock dove, 150 km per hour. Frigate bird, 152.8 km per hour. Bald eagle, 160 km per hour. Eurasian Hobby, 160.9 km per hour. White-throated Needletail, 169 km per hour. Gray-headed Albatross, 183.4 km per hour. Red-tailed Hawk, 193 km per hour. Gyrfalcon, 209 km per hour. Golden Eagle, 321 km per hour. Falcon, 321.8 km per hour. Peregrine Falcon, 389 km per hour. Then we have come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed watching, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. And turn on all the notifications, so you won't miss any of our future uploads. See you in the next one.